Hello everyone, I am Veena Prabhu, Kerala Society of B.Ed Education first year student. Today we are going to study about the chapter 5 of class 9th, the fundamental unit of life. Cell is called as the fundamental unit of life. Cell was discovered for the first time by Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke observed the slice of the cork under his microscope. He observed some rooms-like structures just like the chambers of honeycomb. He called it as cell. Cells are the building blocks of the living things, just as the bricks are the building blocks of the house. Certain organisms that have only one cell are called as unicellular organisms. Example: amoeba, euglena, bacteria, paramecium, etc. Some organisms are made up of many cells called as multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms are made up of different types of cells. All these types of cells differ in shape and size based on its functions like muscle cell, blood cell, nerve cell, ovum, sperm cell, fat cell, etc. Cell is a tiny structure consist of many organelles. All these organelles have different function to perform. Therefore, there is a division of labor in the cell, that is, division of the work is seen in the cell. First organelle is the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is also called as the cell membrane. It is the outermost covering of the cell. It allows the entry and exit of the material. Therefore, it is called as semi-permeable membrane. It is made up of lipid bilayer. Next is the nucleus. Nucleus has a double-layered covering called nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane has pores which allows the transfer of material from inside the nucleus to its outside, that is, to the cytoplasm. Nucleus contains chromosomes which contain the information for the next generation in the form of DNA molecule. It is composed of DNA and protein. Nucleus plays a central role in cellular replication, that is, the process by which a single cell divides into two daughter cells. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a fluid content inside the plasma membrane. It contains many specialized cell organelles. Each organelles are enclosed by membranes. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is the large network of membrane-bound long tubules. Endoplasmic reticulum forms the network of continuation of the nuclear membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum are of two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum appears rough due to the presence of ribosomes. These helps in the protein synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum appears smooth due to the absence of the ribosomes. It helps in the lipid synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum acts as a channel for the transport of the material between cytoplasm and the nucleus. Next is the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus was first discovered by Camillo Golgi. It consists of membrane-bound flattened sacs arranged parallelly to each other in stacks called cisterns. The material that is synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum is packed and dispatched to various targets inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. It also involves in the formation of lysosomes. Next, mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria has two membrane covering. The inner membrane has deep foldings to increase the surface area for ATP production. ATP is known as the energy currency of cell. Mitochondria has its own DNA and ribosomes. That is, it is able to make its own proteins. Plastids. Plastids are present only in the plant cells. There are two types of plastids, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chromoplast are colored plastids, that is, it contains pigments like chlorophyll and is known as chloroplast. It is important for photosynthesis. Leucoplast are colorless plastids in which materials such as starch, oils, proteins are stored. Thank you.